How to use sweeping mode. Step 1. Open the Viomi robot vacuum and install the 2-in-1 dust box, independent dust box. Step 2. Open Mi Home app and select Vacuum mode. Step 3. Choose suction according to your cleaning habits. How to use mopping mode. Step 1. Take out the 2-in-1 water tank, independent water tank, and open it. Step 2. Pour water into it. Please don't put detergent, disinfectant, or other corrosive liquids into the water tank. Step 3. Put the water tank back in. Step 4. Wet the mop and wring it out. Please make sure there's no water dripping. Attach it to the mop holder. Step 5. Install the mop holder. Please double check if both latch locks are in place or the bracket might fall out or slip during operation. Step 6. Open Mi Home and choose cleaning mode. Select water volume according to your cleaning habits. There are 3 water volume levels available. Level 3 will pump the largest water volume. Vice versa, Level 1 pumps the smallest water volume. Should you're looking for quicker and more efficient cleaning, use S mopping pattern. Should you prefer more thorough and effective cleaning, then use Y mopping pattern instead.